Number 1. 𝗬𝗀𝗢𝗍𝗄 mini camera. Do you want to spy on your girlfriend while she's away? Then you might be interested in this. Although it is the size of a car key camera, it is a video recorder as well as a voiceover recorder, so your significant other will not even suspect that you are monitoring her. Well then, how does it work exactly? Using the slider on the right, you may quickly and easily switch between the voiceover recorder and the video recorder. The LED lights will let you know which setting is active. Perhaps you're thinking that a camera that small couldn't possibly contain as much storage space as your smartphone. You would be wrong. It has a built-in TF card slot, thus allowing you to store up to 32 gigabytes of data in it. There is a maximum battery life of 5 hours, during which time you can capture video non-stop. That's pretty good for something as small as a car key. 𝗬𝗀 Personal Gym. Are you looking and feeling a lot older than you are due to weight gain and physical decline? Although resistance training is widely acknowledged as the most effective method for losing weight and gaining muscle, few people actually make the time to go to the gym even if it were free of charge. Exercise weights are difficult and sometimes dangerous. Here comes the 𝗬𝗀 Personal Gym. It's a full gym that fits in the palm of your hand with up to 25 pounds of force in each hand. Yet it's only 2 pounds and folds up for portability. Simply put, it's a portable gym that lets you get in shape quickly and easily with a few simple workouts you can do anywhere at any time. Just how good can a thing be if NASA uses it? Over the course of more than a decade, the 𝗬𝗀 Gym Spiral Flex resistant technology has been employed to help keep astronauts in shape on the International Space Station. Muscle growth with Spiral Flex was found to be comparable to that with free weights in a NASA ground investigation. Tactical Pen Tactuator 12. This fascinating device's design resembles the charging handle of an AR-15 rifle. This is the Tactical Geek Tactuator 12 limited edition bolt-action pen. It is a one-of-a-kind pen that is sure to get people talking thanks to its eye-catching design and high-performance Fisher refill. This mechanism is a delectable combination of brilliant components that'll keep you turning pages. With a flick of the pen's side switch, the tip extends and the hammer-shaped body retracts the refill within itself, making for a very convenient titanium pen. The body of each pen is engraved with a unique serial number, making each pen an exclusive collectible. But all that comes for a price, in this case $295. KeyPods. This innovative earbud securing device is a game-changer because it solves a familiar problem in a new way. For a pleasant and long-lasting experience, choose a KeyPod, which is constructed from medical-grade silicone, completely hypoallergenic. You may even forget you're wearing them because they're that comfortable. KeyPods are compatible with any earphones on the market because of their adaptable construction. KeyPods are superior to other accessories because they not only keep the earbuds in your ears, but also push them in so you can listen to music with the same level of comfort every time. 𝗬𝗡 Mini Pen Drill. No, not another pen. Well, actually, the 𝗬𝗡 may look like any other pen, but it's actually an electric hand drill. You should definitely have 𝗬𝗡 in your toolkit if you're the do-it-yourself kind of guy. It is a compact electric hand drill made of metal that may be used for drilling and shaping. It's the world's first one-piece small electric hand drill, and it's as silent as a mouse and as compact as a pen. Whether you need to drill holes in plastic, resin, aluminum foil, or paper for a do-it-yourself project, this hand drill powered by a lithium-ion battery will get the job done quickly and easily. Tactica M250. The M250 is the ideal compact hex drive toolkit for everyday carry thanks to its lightweight and small size. The M250's 14-slot hex drive magazine and built-in holster make it a great choice for concealed carry. The M250 is handy whenever you keep it, whether that's on your belt or in the fridge. The tool's composite body measures 2.95 inches long and contains space for 12 individual screwdriver heads. The M250 is perfect for disassembling and servicing electronic equipment thanks to its 6 various types of common flathead and Phillips drivers, 3 hex bits, and 3 Torx bits. The M250 is a complete toolkit in your hands. It was created and engineered in Australia, is small enough to carry every day, is light enough to not drag you down, and is sturdy enough to get things done. Lever Gear Tool Card Pro. It's amazing how much work can be accomplished with just one tool. 𝗪𝗲𝗄𝗄's Tool Card Pro is a multi-tool that's the size of a credit card, as indicated by its name. Actually, multi-tool would be an understatement, since it comes with 40 tools, allowing you to quickly and easily crack open a drink, pry open a box, tighten a screw, measure something, cut cables, and do a lot more. The TSA has given its seal of approval to it, and it is tiny and light enough to put in your wallet, making it extremely convenient for travel. The tool card is about 1 ounce in weight and 1.5 millimeters in thickness, so it won't take up too much room in your pocket or wallet if you want to carry it along with your credit cards and other essentials. Before you actually need it, you won't even realize it's there. 𝗬𝗪𝗡 Portable Surface Disinfection Device. When it comes to health, you can never be too cautious. Today, more than ever, people are regularly washing their hands. Even though everything has returned to normal, we are still taking extra precautions to cover our mouths and noses when we cough. The 𝗬𝗪𝗡 UV LED Portable Disinfection Device is a handheld, collapsible wand that uses strong ultraviolet rays to eliminate bacteria. It takes roughly 10 seconds to activate and fits easily in a handbag or backpack. A few safeguards make it less likely that you'll accidentally expose yourself to UV light. A UV light wand has glaring advantages. In addition to eliminating germs, it also prevents your belongings from being wet. You can disinfect your keyboard without unplugging it, and you can sterilize your gloves without washing them. What's more, dangerous chemicals are unnecessary. Since this is the case, UV sanitizers can be used without worry around the house pets and kids. 𝗪𝗏𝗄𝗎 FL10. If you struggle carrying your keys, then this cool 𝗪𝗏𝗎 FL10 gadget will solve your problem. The 𝗪𝗏𝗎 FL10 is a multi-tool carabiner designed to meet a wide variety of needs. You may put this titanium tool onto your belt or a backpack with the included carabiner clip. Other features include a bottle opener, a USB rechargeable flashlight with 360 lumens, and a flathead screwdriver that may be used as a pry tool or even as a self-defense weapon. Even though it's only 3.5 inches long and weighs less than 2 ounces, this little gadget delivers quite a punch. You have the option of a sandblasted or black finish. So if you consider the advantages of having such a compact flashlight, keychain, and bottle opener, which you can carry in your pocket, the price tag of $130 seems reasonable. Coin capsule. If you ever face a problem of coin dropping from your pocket or from your wallet, then this coin capsule tool will solve your problem. The Tango coin capsule is a convenient container for storing and transporting these monetary symbols. Get rid of the mess and always have your coins in order and ready to use. Seriously, for how small it is, this tool packs a mighty punch. Having this on hand will serve you well when dealing with toll booths, vending machines, and other such locations. This handy device can carry up to $5.44 in coins, including 16 quarters, 10 dimes, 7 nickels, and 9 pennies. 𝗪𝗏𝗎𝗄𝗎 SGN7. If you are trapped in a building or lost in the woods and you need help, then this 𝗪𝗏𝗎𝗄𝗎 SGN7 device will assist you. With the 𝗪𝗏𝗎𝗄𝗎 SGN7 keychain flashlight, you may be ready to send out an alert at any time. In the event of an emergency, you'll be prepared to handle it. Instantaneously, it can transform from a 110 dB personal alarm to a lantern and then a tiny portable charger. If your phone's battery is about to die, this device will ensure that you have enough power to make an emergency call. The USB out port can be used to charge a mobile device, while the micro USB port can be used to recharge the light. You can get an SGN7 in black, silver, pink, blue, tan, or red for its body. Man Groomer Ultimate Pro Back Shaver. If you're worried about removing back hairs and you've tried everything but some hairs still remain, then this handy equipment, Man Groomer Ultimate Pro Back Shaver, will help you. You may shave your own back without any assistance because of the long handle. It can be opened to a maximum angle of 135 degrees, and at its longest, it measures little over 2 feet. Depending on the terrain, the handle's length and the blade's angle of opening can be manually changed and locked into place. An easily rechargeable battery allows for cordless, on-the-go operation of the device. You can fold it all up into a small portable size and secure it in place with a lock if you need to transport or store it. Field notes. Can you imagine you are writing something in your book and suddenly a glass of water drops on your book, but the book remains dry? Yes, you heard this right. Water will not affect your book, and that book is Field Notes. The paper in this book is itself the true technological advancement. We shouldn't even be calling it paper. The entire book is printed on euphosynthetic paper, a miraculous paper made from polypropylene pellets in Chesapeake, Virginia, that is both tear-proof and waterproof. There are a total of 12 extreme lab tests conducted on this product. Namely, the tests include waterproof, visibility, wind resistance, ballistics, vacuum, tensile strength, compression, acid resistance, flame resistance, extreme temperature, electromagnetic waves, and electrical resistance. This book passed 11 tests with flying colors, except the flame-resistant test. Thus, it's clear that other than putting this paper on fire, you can do almost anything with it. Balaton. Can you imagine a water bottle with an LED display and the ability to alter the temperature of the water to cold or hot depending on your preferences? That water bottle is a Balaton high-tech water bottle. Balaton is created with a blend of 100% sanitary kitchen-grade stainless steel, making it bacteria and odor-proof from the inside and simple to clean. Each Balaton is packaged with a dedicated holder that serves as a charger and LED screen for the bottle. As a result of the LED display's built-in temperature control panel, you will always be aware of and in charge of your beverage's ideal serving temperature. At the top level, Balaton makes it simple to control the temperature of the beverage with your fingers. Balaton's temperature will remain stable for up to 2 hours. Bosch Pocket Saw. The compact design of Bosch's reciprocating saw makes it ideal for use in confined spaces and around corners, but its robust performance means it can handle a wide variety of cutting tasks. The P560 has a powerful motor that spins at 3000 SPM, a fast motor brake for rapid and precise cutting, a safety system against overloading and excessive heat, a battery fuel indicator that indicates the amount of capacity, and a flashlight for illuminating passages of the workspace that are in the dark. That's a lot for a saw of this size, especially considering it weighs less than 6 pounds. If you like the video, check out this video, Incredible Bedroom and Space-Saving Furniture for Small Spaces.